guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I hope you will stick around and subscribe. Today I've got another super simple glam DIY for us. We're going to be making a glam crystal chandelier vase. And so what you're going to need some of this clear room divider. And you're going to need some of these Angel's Tears pendants. And these are from EFavormart. EFavormart is an online retailer of event decor, event lighting, event supplies, and so much more. I will have EFavormart's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out. Now what you're going to need from Dollar Tree, you're going to need one of these little vases here. And I'm using like a fluted shape vase, but you can really use any shape you like. You're going to need a pack of these glass Tealight holders. And I've got some peel and stick gemstones. These are from Walmart. You can find peel and stick gemstones on a half sheet size at Dollar Tree. I'm going to be using hot glue on my project, but if you'd like to make any components permanent, please use something like an E6000 or an epoxy bond, and that will help to make it permanent. These are the items that we'll need to complete this beautiful project, so let's get started. Okay, you guys, didn't this Glam Crystal Chandelier Vase turn out absolutely beautifully? And this was so easy to make, super versatile to use around your home as home decor. You can add a top onto this with a finial, and you instantly have a beautiful chandelier apothecary. And I'll show you that, and let's go ahead and get started decorating with it. Well, there you have it, you guys, another beautiful and super simple glam DIY. I hope you all will give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of glam DIYs and glam videos, please be sure to share my videos with your friends, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.